Hey guys, I'm upstairs in my bedroom with this new little baby boy. He has to stay up here for now. We got the vet visit set up for Monday, and I'm sure all of you guys want to know his name. I knew his name immediately because I actually wanted to name Nix this name if she was a boy. We named him Noki, N-O-K-I. I also wanted to show you guys some cute video I have of him talking and tapping. He has a lot to say to himself. Pretty bird. Look at my pretty bird. He's going crazy. Pretty bird. What you doing? Hi. Hi, pretty bird.